has issued a blizzard warning, which is in effect from midnight tonight to 6 a.m. Saturday. The winter storm watch is no longer in effect. Expect a wintry mix to develop this evening, transitioning to all snow overnight. This snow will become heavy after midnight, tapering off Friday night. Total snow accumulations tonight through Friday night in the 6 to 10 inch range. Snow rates up to 2 inches an hour at times also possible in thundersnow. Winds gusting to 45 miles per hour will produce significant blowing and drifting of the snow, with some whiteouts also likely, especially in open and unsheltered areas. Travel will become dangerous. A blizzard warning means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Falling and blowing snow with strong winds and poor visibilities are likely. This will lead to whiteout conditions, making travel extremely dangerous. Do not travel. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511. Expect blizzard conditions to develop.